Hi, it's Tego Venturi with the Venturi Realty Group and Keller Williams Realty with a market update for real estate in Albuquerque. It is May 2017. First quarter's already done. What I'm going to go through today is some of the supply-demand ratios and really what's happening there, because that's really the big story in our real estate market right now, as well as some of the hot areas and market appreciation, as well as what's going on with distressed sales, or be talking about foreclosures in particular. So I'm going to bump down here to the chart. And really, this chart really gives you an indication of where we're at and what's been going on. This is closed sales, and everything we're looking at are single-family homes, either attached or detached single-family homes. And this chart is closed sales. This is a 10-year trend. And of course, you can see back in 2007 through 2009, we really had the shift, if you will, in the market, in the downturn. And since then, we had a little bump up when they did the tax credit in 2010 right in here. And ever since then, we just kind of been on this really actually nice, steady climb in a number of homes being sold in our market. And the other big chart is the pending sales. And unfortunately, my thing's in the way here, you can't see it. But pending sales actually for April was an all-time high, the number of homes that received a contract. So pretty fascinating there in what's going on in our real estate market. A couple other things. Days on market, this is always a good indicator of what's going on in the market and the trends. And in this case, the days on market has dropped down to about 50 days on market. Obviously, tighter supply, more buyers in the market, or a little bit more buyers in the market. The bigger issue are less homes on the market, and so of course homes are getting bought up faster, and we're seeing that in many cases. One of the things I wanted to look at were average sale price here, and you can see the average sale price since 2012, somewhere in here, have been on a steady climb. Of course, this is average sale price. It's not really market appreciation, but it kind of relates. The other number, also similar, is average price per square foot. Again, you can see we bottomed out sometime in 2012. Of course, we peaked out back in 07, and we've been on a steady climb ever since. And last year we had a 4.8% market appreciation in our market. And this year it seems to be we're kind of on that same trend. Now again, that's overall, different price ranges, different appreciation. Lower price ranges are seeing a higher market appreciation. Higher price ranges, not so much, especially when you get up into the high end, the real luxury homes. Prices are a little bit stagnant. They're not moving quite as fast. So this chart is the bank-owned trend. This is the number of bank-owned foreclosed homes, REO homes, a lot of different terms meaning the same thing, but basically homes that have been taken back by a bank and they're reselling them. And you can see the decline. If you probably can't see it, but back here it was about 13, almost 14%. At the peak of the time when we had a lot of bank owned, it was almost as high as 30%. But now we're down to 10% or 10.8 for April, which is great to see. A lot of info here. We're always happy to sit down and go through these numbers and charts for your specific neighborhood. Back to the one we were on there, you can see we can do these. This is the overall market, but we can do them for specific neighborhoods and or parts of town, so you can get an idea of what's going on. The big news is the market's hot, but it's not all price ranges and it's not all neighborhoods. But good homes, moderately priced, that look well, show well, and are priced in the market are selling pretty fast right now. So good time to be a seller. Good time to be a buyer too, especially if you're going to be moving up into maybe a little higher price point. So again, reach out to us if you have any questions on the market and what's going on. We're at 933-6881 or welcomehome.abq.com.